Oh, you know what we could do? Well, let mom take Christmas off first. Okay, mom's gonna open her gifts. Everything is about him. Wait, what's this? Let me see. No, that's not it yet. I thought King was Lanky Ball. I thought King was Lanky Ball. Talk to you guys really quickly because I feel like this whole vlog I have not talked to you guys. So it's Christmas Eve. I think I showed the majority of my gifts, but I pretty much got everything I asked for. My list was pretty short. I didn't ask for too much because I pretty much, like I said, I think the biggest gift that I wanted, or the item that I wanted, I already got it for myself. So I wasn't really picky on my list of stuff. And then of course my stocking stuffers, I got a few other stuff I didn't ask for. I'll show you guys. I really just asked for like fuzzy socks because I noticed I'm missing some. Like I had to go find another one right now because it was cold to put on. But I asked for a couple, and then I got Grinch ones. Mom got me Grinch. Like my family knows I love Grinch. They know me so well. If you guys didn't know, like my door, you guys can't see it, but my door has the Grinch. My door cover is the Grinch. So yeah, so I got those. So I'm probably gonna wear that tomorrow since tomorrow is actual Christmas. And I also have a Grinch top, so I might wear that tomorrow too for actual Christmas. I don't know how much I'm going to show you guys tomorrow. It's going to be a chill day. Maybe I'll show you guys the breakfast spread, because I'm always excited for the breakfast spread on Christmas. Having some hot chocolate, listening to some Christmas carols. So yeah, I can't believe though it's already Christmas. That's crazy. Like December just up and flew. Yeah, I'm just getting tying my hair back. I just took it out because I wanted to take photos. But yeah, I'm about to go brush my teeth and hop in my bed for now. I just put all my gifts for now in this bag. And then I'll just sort through whatever needs to be sorted through. Oh, let me take out this juice. So I'll drink some of this unsweetened real life tea. I took a nap earlier today, so I'm not as tired as I normally would be. But so I'm thinking maybe I might read a little bit before I go to bed because I have not been reading. Also, I want to test out this light. I bought it a while back from Amazon. Hold on, let me show you guys. Let me just finish putting on my bonnet. Excuse me. Yeah, I bought it from Amazon. It's like supposed to be a reading light, so I want to test it out to see how it works. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I have literally has been in the box. I got it in gray color, but it comes in different colors. Oh wait, do I need batteries? Oh, this is not gonna be great. I don't want to go back now upstairs. I do have a lamp, but I kind of just wanted to try this without having to use my lamp. Oh, it works. So pretty much you clip it to the book and you read. I'll link it down below, but I thought it was cool. It's called the brand is called Vavufo. I think that's what it's called. So yeah, that's actually cool, because then you can like read in the dark without having, oh, you could change the lights. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're not even sponsoring me. It changes like 3 different shades. But yeah, so I'm gonna test that out today. I read my book, which I don't remember. Oh, I put it in here, I think. That book. There's a book I was reading. Did I put it in here? Yes. So I'm gonna continue reading some of this book because I wanna continue reading. Sometimes I feel like, so you just clip it on the book, as you guys can see, and you put it on. So I'm gonna try it out, test it out tonight. But yeah, I'm gonna go brush my teeth. I don't think I'm gonna show you guys me reading. I already told you I'm gonna read, so I don't have to show you. But I'm gonna continue this book that I got. I remember I told you guys I asked for this on my work wish list, and that was one of the things I got. I asked for a few things, but this is the one I got. So yeah, this is a series from another book that I got last year, and I finished that one. So this is the other sister in the series, so I'm gonna continue that one. But yeah, that's it for now. Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Christmas Day.